So I just got this in the mail today. Thanks to old scooter dude. I saw this on his, I believe it was on his Nami, on his handlebars, and I asked him where he got it. And I found it, and it's pretty cool. But I kind of wish it had like 360-degree turn instead of these notches. But I mean, you can position it anywhere you want. But I just wish it would rotate. But it's pretty cool. Can't wait to try it out someday. It's gonna stay on my scooter until I can figure out what I'm gonna do for a video for you guys. But if you want this, just comment, put it in the links in the description. The only thing I can't do though is it doesn't open enough to fit around the shock. The teeth are just barely can go over this. It's too thick. This is. But I can mount it here if I want on this little bar, my handlebar. I can probably even pinch it like right here. And this has like kind of a little flap right here where the deck hangs over. I can pinch it too. Maybe pinch it in the front here. But yeah, if you guys want this selfie stick holder here, it's pretty good. It's nice and tight. That ain't going nowhere. And go check out Old Scooter Dude channel. I'll put him in the description below. Thanks, brother. Fucking stupid ass couple over there sitting in the corner. Getting fucking bugs in my ears.